All aboard!
H&K Living Life is all about our adventures as we enjoy our time together, getting back to enjoying life in the outdoors. We hope our videos will inspire others to get out there and create new memories.
This is H&K Living Life. If you'd like to see more of our adventures, just click the subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications of new videos. Come join us for a truly unforgettable step back in time as we enjoy our leisurely trip to yesteryear, riding 3.5 hours from Silverton down to Durango. Our trip will take us up into the Rocky Mountains with views of the San Juan National Forest as we travel alongside the beautiful Animas River on our way to Durango from the historic mining town of Silverton. The Durango and Silverton narrow gauge railroad runs about 45 miles from Durango to Silverton, and it was originally built in 1881 as part of the Denver and Rio Grande Railway in an effort to reach the mines of the San Juan Mountains and bring the ore back down to the smelters in Durango. But after World War II, its business shifted to tourism. The railway is now operated by American Heritage Railways. It continues to be a major tourist attraction in southwest Colorado and has been named both a National Historic Landmark and a National Historic Civil Engineering Landmark. The Durango and Silverton narrow gauge railroad is often considered among the most scenic train rides in the country and even the world. It draws hundreds and thousands of passengers per year. If you like our content, hit the like button, subscribe, and then click that bell to get notifications of new videos.